Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. And today we'll be taking a look at this gorgeous 2019 Toyota Tundra CrewMax 5.7 liter with your TRD Off-Road Package. So this is a 4-door, 5-passenger, 4x4 crew cab pickup truck, and the color is cement gray metallic. Under the hood, you'll find a 5.7-liter V8 cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 18-inch off-road alloy wheels. Now, some of the features that come with your off-road package are your Bilstein shock absorbers. You also have LED headlamps and fog lamps. You have fuel tank protector plates and clearance backup sensors, but there's tons happening on the inside as well, so why don't we hop on in and take a look at your interior features. Helping you into your Tundra is this handy dandy key with fob. On your fob, you have your lock, your unlock, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once will unlock the front door, and pushing it twice will unlock all 4 and your tailgate. We're gonna open this up here. We'll take a look at the interior. So lots of room to get in and out. Really nice and high. You do have lots of storage here in the driver's side door along with 2 cup holders. And then you have your power windows and your locks. And then on the left-hand side of your steering wheel, you have your power mirrors. You also have your interior lighting. You have your rear window, your power rear window, your automatic high beams, and your box lighting there. Moving a little bit further in, you have 2 sets of floor mats, including your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle really nice and clean. And then you have your power adjustable driver's seat with your lumbar support. So lots of ways to get comfortable. And it won't be hard in this awesome plush interior, really gorgeous upholstery. And then moving a little bit further up from there, you can see that you have your power tilt and slide sunroof. Let that sunshine in on those gorgeous Alberta days. And we're gonna hop on in here, we'll start it up for you. We'll take a look at some of the other technology features that we have in the Tundra. So you have a really nice welcoming image there. You have nice, easy lighting, so not harsh on the eyes. All of the information that you're going to want for your truck. And then moving a bit further back, you have all of the mounted controls that you're going to want. You have your volume control and your music selection buttons here, along with your voice command and your mode changer. Just below that is your hands-free calling. On the right-hand side here, these are your toggle buttons for your central information cluster. So these are going to give you all of your settings like your lane departure alert, your pre-collision system, all of your vehicle settings, your meter settings for your dynamic radar cruise control. You also have your cruise control and your lane departure alert there. Moving a little bit further over, we have our navigation, and then you have all of your information like your trip distance, your fuel range, your time rest timer, things like that. So lots of information for you just at the push of a couple of buttons there. Just below that is your dynamic radar cruise control distance setting button, and then you have your lane departure alert that you can turn off and on just down there. Right behind here is your cruise control, which works with this button there. And then moving a little bit further in, we have our park assist button, so you can turn off that radar. You can also change your traction control, your tow haul options, and then of course your trailer brake controller there. Moving a little bit further in from there, let's take a look at the entertainment system. So you have your AM, FM radio, you have your Sirius XM streaming, you still have your CD player, so that's gonna be nice for you. You also have your USB and your audio input, and you have your Bluetooth audio. Within your applications is where you're going to find your navigation system. Really easy navigation system to use and learn. So come on in and play around with it, plug in your home address, see how user-friendly it is, and then again in your audio there. You also have all of your manual buttons here, so you do have your touch screen as well as your seek button there. So that's going to be nice for you if you have your passenger wants to play DJ. Moving a bit further down from there, you do have your air conditioning in your temperature control, excuse me. You have your 4-wheel drive train, your drive line options there. And then you also have 2 12-volt DC plugins. This is where you'll plug in your USB and your audio input. And then you have your heated seats for your driver and your passenger. So that's going to be really nice for them as well. You have 3 different cup holders. And again, you have those 2 cup holders in your driver door. And then you have 2 cup holders in your passenger there. So lots and lots of cup holders. You have your sports setting. So really fun to drive that way. You have a nice big center console that houses yet another 12-volt DC plug-in, really nice and deep. And then you have all of these organizational little bits here for you, so you can keep some business stuff along with you if you're going to be using it for work. You have a lockable glove box, that's always really handy. And then in your glove box, you have all of the manuals that you're going to need. You also have some trailering accessories and your wheel locks, things like that. So lots of really great things happening in the front of the Tundra. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo? Alrighty, so taking a look at the back of your Tundra, lots going on back here as well. You do have all of your rear parking sensors along your bumper. You also have all of your trailering equipment, so you're all set to go to bring your toys and your camper along with you, or if you have any work things that you need to carry along. You have your rear vision camera just there, and then we have our lockable tailgate. And I'm going to open this up fairly quickly so that you can see that it is an easy lift and lower tailgate, so it's not gonna come smashing down on you. You have that power rear window, so the whole thing comes down, and you have your LED box lighting. So lots of really great stuff happening in the back of your Tundra. And we'll just back on up here and give you a nice look. Giving you a final glimpse then of the 2019 Toyota Tundra CrewMax 5.7 liter with your TRD Off-Road Package. There is so much happening with this truck that I didn't get a chance to go through on this brief walk around, so come on in, take it for a test drive, see how you like it, see how it fits in with your lifestyle. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thank you again for watching, and until we see you, drive safe.